Hey guys, so today we'll be making a simple clock with Python. It is completely for beginners, so you don't need to get deep into it, or you can simply understand it. So first of all, import Kinder. From Kinder, import everything, and also import from time, import everything. Now create a window for the clock and set the window title to anything you like. I'll just set it clock for right now. And now window that resizable equal to 0, 0. This means you can't resize the window of clock, size of clock. It wouldn't look good if you resize the size of the clock, so let it be non-resizable. And now to show the label inside the window for the time, label bracket window, and for font I'm using a specific font which looks better for clocks, digital clock and everything. It is called DS Digital. I set the link in description so you can download it. Set the size of 90, or you can set it anything. And now background color, I'll set it black, and foreground color I'll set it to be green. Okay, now txt.pack and I'll make it to be in center, so you don't have to just resize it, make it will look good in center. And now yeah, it's done pretty much. Now we have to define a function to make the clock actually work. Okay, so now we have to use the time module here to set the format. So let's say t equals trf time, and set the format to set percent first hour, then minute, and then a second, and percent p will be for am or pm. Okay, now txt.config this txt, the zone text will be the format of the time, and after every second you want the function to run, so define the function here. You don't want to use bracket in this part. Okay, so after this is done, you can simply call the function and run main loop. So okay, it's pretty much done. Now you can run the program by Adhikari. Yes, you can see this. It is you cannot resize it. You can see this button is disabled. The clock title is here, and it is showing AM PM and exactly time what it is in my PC right now. Okay, so thank you for watching. This was a basic simple video for beginners Python programmers. Thank you.